Welcome back to another video, guys, and today I will explain, basically I will go through a lab. Okay, I will hopefully put this lab in the description so you can practice alongside with me. But before we begin, quickly, this is a big lab and you will learn a lot of things. But if you do want to get help in MATLAB, okay, if you want any help, then click the link in the description. Okay, go to the description, click the link right now, click the link, and you will go to this site called Fiverr, and you can hire pretty much any freelancers to do pretty much any MATLAB work. Okay, let's get into the video. I just wanted to say that. Okay, so let's start. So firstly, you have the MATLAB input and output. So this basically takes the, what do you call, the inputs. So you can enter a number, you can run the section, you can enter a number between 1 and 10. So let's enter 4, enter your name, and then you get nice to meet you, and then this is how you can do string concatenation. Okay, this is how you can do string concatenation. You use these square brackets because MATLAB is a matrix laboratory. Okay, so everything is like in matrix, even the strings are like one by one, and it's all in matrix. If you want to clear the command window, you can just put clear. That removes the workspace, and you could use clear var. You could use CLC, and then boom, it's gone. Okay, so you could do that too. So these are one of the things you can use. Input to get text. Print F, the number you entered is /d. This is for decimals, and you can, just like Python and stuff, you can enter the numbers. And over here, to accept a string from user, then display it. Input again, input, enter your name. My name is string s. Number I entered is 0.5, 0.3f. It's simple, it's just displays. Okay, there is nothing hard. So remember, input is how you get the user thing, the user whatever, from the keyboard, and then you can just play around with it and display it. So that's all you need to know over here. Again, this is easy. Logical operators, this is very straightforward. There's nothing hard over here. Again, I'll post this lab so you guys don't need to worry about it. Decision making structure, so these are your if statements. So this is how if works: if, else if, else if, else if, and then else if, like that, and then else. Okay, so it's literally like Python, but just a couple of different things like input, and you have some different syntaxes over here, and that's pretty much it. But one important thing is you have to end with end. You have to put end after each if statements. Okay, then you have the switch statements. You can have these switch statements: switch grade, case, whatever, just if this is the case, then DSP is basically print. You can print anything. So if we run this, enter your gross whatever letter. So let's say F. It says your score must be between 0 and 60. So yeah, so this is basic stuff. There's nothing too complicated here. Okay, now we get into control flow structures, which is a little important. For loops. So this is the basic way of doing for loops: for I, 2, and then 2 iterations all the time till 10. So F, print F, and then you can display it. Okay, num equals input, enter the number, fact equals 1, initializes the value of the product. This is just another example, just how you can use for the for loop. So 1 to num, so use these colons to define a range basically, and this is just starting at 2, going to every step till 10. That's it. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and yeah, that's just while. Again, use while and use end. Straightforward, just like Python. Nothing too difficult over here. Okay, this x randy is basically, it will generate a random number from 0 to 20, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. So this is not really useful, like you don't really need it right now, but this is just for knowledge sake. If you just want to play around with it, you can generate a number, any random numbers, for 2 by 2 matrix, or 2 by 2. So if I do 3 here, and then I put 3 here, then you get 3 random numbers generated from 0 to 20, any random numbers. Okay, so this is just a cool little thingy. While true basically means an infinite loop. So you need to put some break condition. So if this condition is met, then it'll exit the infinite loop, and then you can end. Again, pretty straightforward, nothing too hard over here. Then we come into functions. Perhaps one of the most important things is functions. And I'll tell you how it works. So with functions, you want to first, if you want to make this function, yeah, so we need to make this function. So you need to take this, copy it, and then go to home, then start a new script, and then paste this. I'm just going to change the name, my name one, then control, basically get everything, and then uncomment. This is a fast way of commenting. Uncomment, comment, uncomment, comment. Okay, so uncomment, and then all you do is you save it in that same, you save it with that same name in that same file. So if you look over here, my name one, my name one comes up here. Okay, and then now this is a function. This is how you create a function, and then you can literally just put this in your thing. So my thing is Ahmed. Let me just put this up. Command window goes up. Oh, what's this? Oh, my bad. Put my name over here, and bam. Huh? Oh, my bad. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, that was a mistake. Sorry. Yeah, my name is Ahmed. Okay, because you just printed. I forgot to change the name over here. So yeah, you can just do this, or you can directly run it over here. Again, it's very straightforward. There's nothing too difficult about this. We go a little bit down. So this is the input, and this is the output. You can have multiple outputs. You can have multiple inputs too. Okay. Again, it's very straightforward. There's one other thing I wanted to show. I don't think it's over here. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. It's very easy. I'll post this in the description so you guys can check it out. And also make sure, if you do want help in MATLAB, any help for university students, you go on Fiverr, click the link in the description, and you can hire pretty much any freelancers from here. So yeah, thank you.